Welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about transformer and its principle. So transformer, this is the picture of a transformer. Usually the almost structure is same of a transformer that we can see on the ship. Okay, an electrical transformer, it is a static device that transfer electric power from one circuit to another without change of frequency. Means it is a static device transfer electric power from one source to another without any change of frequency. Since there is no rotating part in transformer, so it is a static device. So not a rotating device, rotor. It is a static device. So no rotating part. Transformer operates on AC supply. It's mainly operated on AC supply. In transformer, operation of two electric circuits are not connected to each other. Rather, they are interlinked by a common magnetic field. They are not connected to each other. They are interlinked by a common magnetic field. So the principle of transformer is principle of mutual induction between two or more inductively coupled coil. We all know that principle of mutual induction. That is, an electromotive force will be induced in a coil when the current passes through the coil which is coupled through it. So an EMF will be induced in that coil. That is the principle of mutual induction. So here one of the windings is called primary winding, which is energized by an alternative voltage, and secondary winding is connected to load. So if a voltage source of applied to a primary winding, it produces an alternating current. This produces an alternating magnetic flux in the core of transformer. If we apply a current in the primary winding of coil, this will produce an alternating current in it. This produces an alternating magnetic flux in the transformer. This alternating magnetic flux links with primary and secondary coil turns and induces in them an EMF by the principle of self-induction and mutual induction respectively. The EMF induced in the secondary drives a current through the load connected across the secondary winding. So the principle of mutual induction, that means if we apply current in the primary winding, due to this an induced EMF will be reduced and thus induced current will be there. So this producing an alternative magnetic flux in the core of transformer. So due to this effect, the secondary coil also turns and induces an EMF by self-induction and mutual induction. Thus thereby EMF induced in the secondary drives a current through the load connected across the secondary winding. Thank you.